Hi, this is Easy Foncardas for Easy Thoughts, your inspiration for a successful, significant life. Meron ba kayong mga anak that somehow you want to help so that they can set up properly in the future? Especially kung mag-aasawa na sila, you want to help them para hindi sila maging slave ng utang. The same like a heritage dito sa England, dito you can see at my back yung Stonehenge. It's like a legacy or heritage para dun sa mga susunod na generation that they can cherish. And sa finances natin is actually the same. If you want to help your children na hindi maging slave ng utang in the future, as early as possible we need to set up and save and invest our money so that we can give it to them as our special gift when they will be setting up their own family. So parang separation pay kumbaga sa trabaho, so that they can set up properly na gusto nilang bumili ng bahay, hindi na sila mangungutang pa sa gobyerno or sa pag-ibig 10, 15 years, 20 years to pay. As early as that time may utang na kagad sila, hindi pa sila nag-uumpisa. So or second way to do that is that pwede kayong magpautang sa kanila, let's say for example 10 years to pay, 0 interest, pero yung perang binabayad nila sa inyo monthly i-invest nyo ulit para tumubo yung pera na yon, and eventually ibabalik nyo rin sa kanila yon, regalo naman dun sa mga anak nila. And pag ginawa natin yon, they can actually do that, gagamitin nila yung pera to give it also back dun sa magiging apo ninyo or magiging anak pa nung mga apo natin. So we are building a generation of debt-free people. So especially kasi pag magsi-set up ka, wala ka pa naman pera, so you're starting to have your own family, kailangan mo ng tulong, and so that our children can really remember us as part of our family and as part of their future. We need to do that so that as early as possible we can leave a legacy to them. So I hope you learned something from this video. And ang maganda doon kasi pagka binigay natin yung pera nila, one thing that we want to make sure is that hindi natin didiktahan kung saan sila dapat titira. So para lang tayong mag-guide sa kanila, but they will make their own decision kung saan sila titira at saan sila magtitayo or magsiset up ng kanilang sariling pamilya. So I hope you learned something from this. If you find this video helpful, just comment at the bottom so that we can share it also to your friends, so that we can help a lot of people and we can bless more people because of this video. Again, this is Easy Foncardas for Easy Thoughts, your inspiration for a successful, significant life. Bye!